Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video here at DaringBeefcake. I have this Ford Focus. This is a 2011. I'm just gonna show you how you can remove this rear cluster here, so you can change any of the bulbs in here. So you have a side light, indicator, reverse, maybe fog, although these days one side has reverse, the other side has the fog. In this one I'm not sure, but I'm going to open in this case scenario, we are here in the UK, so I'm opening the passenger side one just to show you, and the same procedure will be for the driver side rear cluster. So let's get on with it, and it's not a difficult one to remove, so we'll just I'll just show you how. Okay, so once you open your boot here, if you go inside of the car, you have this little cover here that you can take out like so, and in there there will be this retaining nut that you need to undo. So I've already undone it to make the video a little bit faster. You just need to undo it. It might feel a little bit tight when it's in there. You can use some pliers if it's too tight. If it feels too tight, you can use some pliers to loosen it, obviously anti-clockwise. And then there's another one of those up here. So let me just show you. I'm going under this area here, and it's just there. Again, you can just about get some pliers in there if you need to get in there. So we'll get that out. Just a matter of undoing it, and I was just checking, making sure the cluster is not coming out. Obviously you can undo that. If you have your two hands free, you can undo it while you are holding this side. So then this bit here, this area here, will be pressed into it's like a button retainer which clips in, but we just want to pull this out. It will probably come out fairly easily, and just pull it out there. That's the little hole there, that pressing, that little thing goes in there, that little plastic sort of retainer, and then we have our cluster out. So now you have a connection here, which we could take out, or you could also just take out whichever bulb you're looking to change. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs here. Again, anti-clockwise. There is a bulb there. That particular one has 2 filaments inside. Press it in, turn it, and it comes out. So you can then check out what this bulb is like. It's got, like I said, 2 filaments, and you can see that those 2 little pins, they are a little bit offset. I'm talking about these pins here. They're not in line with each other, and also they're not at the same height. But you can actually see in this bulb quite clearly, it's a JHP21 /4W 12 volt 2J2 F16. That's what it says on the bulb. So that way you can just type that in Google and find this, or go to your local store and buy one. And then you come here, and you can only fit it one way. It will definitely not fit any other way. Push it in and turn it clockwise, and then goes back in there and secure it clockwise. That looks like maybe a side light and a brake light because it's the twin filament in there. Then we have this bulb here. That is looking a little bit worn out. Single filament, but you can see it's starting to go a little bit dark here, a bit black. So that bulb could blow fairly soon. In fact, that might be a brake bulb there. The other one could be a fog light, I'm not sure. Anyway, press it in anti-clockwise. This one is different, you can see that. And this is a very common type of bulb, P21W, 12 volt P21W, 7506. Those are the, you can't really see, but I'm just trying to show you that in there, if this could focus, but there's too much light. Right, I'm actually gonna get one of these because this is likely to blow soon, so prevention is better than cure. So I'm gonna get one of those, and then the next one we can have a look in here. It's this one here, again anti-clockwise. Pull it out, and that one is looking not very nice either. This type just pulls out like so. So again, I'm gonna go and get one of those. And then we have this, probably here is the indicator bulb, and that's not looking bad. It's looking fairly new, because when they're wearing out, they start peeling out the orange peels off. So again, you can just press that in, take it out, check the pins. These are offset, but they are the same height. And then you have some sort of writing there which says Neolux Germany 12 volt PY. This one says actually 12 volt PY21W. So again, you can search for that in Google, and you can only fit it one way, and that goes back in there, and that's it. So now I'm gonna go and get two bulbs so I can change those. So just to show you here, I've got my new one here, and just again compare the pins. They were not, those two pins were in line and at the same height. And then I have this bulb to change for this one. They look maybe slightly different, but not really. Anyway, those bulbs there are these ones here. So I got the Bosch W16W 12 volt 16W. If you type that in Google, you will find these bulbs basically. So obviously I have a box because I'm always changing bulbs. And then we come back to the car and we try to find, so this one here, fairly simple, just push in like so, and back in there and lock it clockwise. Same with this one here. So push it in, turn it right, and that's that. And that's it. So now we can refit our, you could give this area a clean. I just haven't got the time right now, but a quick clean wouldn't hurt. We can then fit this back the way it came out. So you just have to line this and the other one. They need to go into those holes basically. Let me try and hold this up a little bit. think I got it in there. Then that is going to push in. I'm not sure I'm in the right hole. Right, I was actually in the right hole. That sounds so weird. So just push that in there, and then we have our retainers that will hold the whole cluster in place. Wind that in all the way until it's tight. So that is nice and tight now. Obviously you have to do the top and then put that cover. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.